Namaskar. Python has a special trick for writing long lines. Let us learn it. See, this trick is by using this backslash operator. Suppose I have to print a very long sentence in the print command. So, this is a string. This starts with double quotes, ends with double quotes. And if I have to use single quote within double quote, I can obviously use it. Within double quote, I can use single quote, and within single quote, I can use double quote. Right? So I am using this single quote for this: the quick brown fox jumps over a lazy dog, and in the end of it, this will use a backslash. So this is actually my physical line. This will be called my physical line. These two lines are physical lines, but this whole will be my one logical line. That means Python will consider it as one instruction, right? So this instruction actually breaks using this, and with this it will actually concatenate it here, right? So this physical line, it will make one logical line using this backslash operator. Similarly, we can use triple quotes also, because triple quotes by itself allows multi-line strings. So this will be straight away used, right? Multi-line string will be used. Let us run this small code. So you can see that this is coming in one physical line, because in the output it is physical line, because logical line has been converted as one single line, right? But for multi-line statement, multi-line strings, it will be as it is. So this portion up to the quick is in first physical line, and this is in second physical line. So it is as it is, because we are declaring it like multi-line string. Multi-line string is triple quote with triple quotes, right? If you want it as a single line, we will use this backslash character. So this is the way we use long lines. Long lines either by using backslash or by using multi-line string, right? There are some more tricks using this backslash character, but actually if we define multi-line arrays, Python automatically allows them in multiple lines. There is no issue in that. Suppose here the array wise like this, I can obviously use it in multiple line like this. Automatically it gives an indent, but no problem for that. Explicitly works for multi-variable declaration. Suppose this is called implicit because I don't have to use this without this. This I have to use this. Suppose I am declaring this multiple variables a, b, c, d, e, f, g with 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, and I want it in multiple lines. So I will use this backslash character. So I can easily use this. That's why I am using it explicitly, because I am explicitly using long line. Similarly, for if statement also I can use it, the multiple physical lines as one logical line. So this will become one logical line. After if, wherever this colon ends, and in between lines I am using backslash, so I can use this. This is highly useful because sometimes our conditions are really too long. Okay. So in this kind of case, we can obviously use this. So you can see this. This has also easily come. You can divide it into multiple portions also if you want. See, this way also this will come without any error, right? Suppose I start this here with comma and I remove comma here. Just see, for variation's sake, this is working because it is a part of that. But I advise doing it like this. You can put like this also. This will work easily. Right? Fine. So long lines using backslash character, using triple quotes, without backslash in arrays, and with backslash in multiple variable declaration like this, and with backslash in long if conditions. So making long conditions is possible. It's possible in other kind of things also. If you want to have for condition, while condition, that also there also it will work. So just let us study with AI also. How do we use backslash for writing long lines? It is giving explicit line continuation for string, implicit line continuation. It is showing using triple quotes. For data structures, brackets or curly braces, explicit line continuation for declarations and conditions, if to break into more readable segments. So it improves readability also. Even if you can fill up till a long section, it will still improve your readability, right? If you want to ask me questions, please do write in comments. Please give your feedback also and subscribe to our channel. Thanks.